This is my favorite angle.
I love that too. I was doing a thing for a while where I would do it like down like this. I was calling it like ant photography.
Turn it upside down.
Yeah, this thing.
The lower the camera is to the ground, the more the shot.
Right.
She just passed away.
Oh, I'm so sorry.
Hey.
Saying hi.
Yeah, just
She's
keep
very
up here, Eric.
playful.
You trying to
Your
shoot
dogs
me?
aren't into that.
We're doing this again, Eric?
We're just smile.
I'll go at the video.
Just smile.
See this guy right here? This guy is always care.
Good morning, you beautiful people. It is Sunday. We are actually leaving the house a little bit earlier than I have been. And that is because I hear there is some shenanigans going on at the lot. It appears there may be some used cars for sale on the lot. So we're gonna go there to check it out. We're also going there because we have a club coming, the Hyundai N Club. Are bringing quite a few cars, so we're gonna go try to get them set up, and then I believe our good friend Chris might be bringing some CTSV with their V Chicago Club. So we are gonna get there early to check on what is going on, and we're gonna have a great day. Okay, I'll see you soon. Thank you.
Our windows, they could be replaced.
Hey. Oh, nice. You guys just coming for coffee?
Yeah.
Nice. Well, you can stay for a little bit.
We gotta go grab our breakfast too. We did a breakfast.
Oh, all right. I'll see you later. This kind of became like a cool thing to.
So these fucking men cars are amazing, man.
That's
I was actually
what I
just-
keep. My buddy, that's him. He's autocrossed. He dailies it. He's autocrossed it, road raced it.
Yeah.
He's like,
That's
it's
probably the one I'm about to talk about, because I got a buddy, John, who recently
What's
got
up, guys?
into road racing. How you doing? And he's got
like when I videotape him. So now I try to videotape him every chance I can. So some would say I'm an asshole. So.
This is my favorite angle.
I love that too. I was doing a thing for a while where I would do it like down like this. I was calling it like ant photography.
Turn it upside down.
Yeah, this thing.
The lower the camera is to the ground, the more the shot.
Right.
Here comes next. They probably have it closed down.
Dude, I keep finding crazy kits for that thing.
I know. I need a.
See when I send it to you.
The issue is I don't know if I can get
It might be, but I don't know.
I hit a possum on that side.
Why'd you wait till I took the photo? Thanks for coming, guys. I'm Eric.
John.
Not a bad day so far. I try to get, when I'm not talking to people, I try to get some shots and footage.
Yeah.
Last week was rough. I got like nothing, so we'll see how today goes. I don't know if people are scared of the chill or what.
Yeah, it's honestly not that bad. I had to take my race suit off because I was sweating earlier.
What'd you bring?
Just the white lobster.
Oh, nice.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I knew I was going to be here till, you know, the whole event, so I was like, I'm not going to wear pants. I was like, I know I'm going to get way too hot.
Oh, I just threw in this hoodie. I'm like, once it warms up, I'm gonna throw a hoodie in the car.
No, I've always run hot, so I was like, when I got here at 7:30, I was like a little bit chilly, but now like it's already perfect. If I wore pants, I knew I was going to regret it, so.
Yeah, I work outside all day, so it's like morning's a little chilly and then that warms up.
Right.
Yeah, I brought my Nikon setup for pictures, but
Seen all y'all rolling in, man. But yeah.
fun group. Eric, that's not my car. Come on.
I know.
I don't want to be on camera.
Your face isn't.
Okay.
Just your sweet shirt.
Cool. All right.
You want to give an interview?
In front of the camera.
Are you with the Evo?
Yeah.
Nice. Eric.
Probably one of
Nice
the
to meet you, Manny.
Evo 10s you'll see. Literally. Yeah. She's cute.
Did you guys know? Do you know these guys or no?
Yeah, we actually know each other through APM.
Oh, nice.
Oh, hey, those gold decals, man. I tried to put them on. They were like completely melted.
Really? Oh man.
Oh, but hey, if you guys need some right here, man.
Yeah, I have like a vinyl toner. I can
Look,
put whatever you
he
need.
made me some.
Is that your phone?
Yeah.
Okay.
Like I did that, you know. So
Look, he made me some white ones. Oh, check it out. He made me some.
Adrian,
Oh, shit,
you
sorry.
dirty dog.
My bad.
Yeah, he made me some white ones.
Hey, watch out! This guy wants to. Is this
That's like the Adro wing or something.
Is that the main guy or no?
No, he's got a black one, but he's got one like my body style. This is like the facelift. Like it has. I don't know if you saw that guy that I was talking to right here. His name is Yanni. He lives in Lenox, but he's got that bus over there, that yellow bus, and then he's got his Mustang here at Straight Line.
Oh, nice.
Yeah. And he's just like, no. I'm like, why?
My buddy's shop in Frankfurt right now.
Oh, nice.
Jesus.
Are those all GT2s or is that
No,
a GT3?
those are 3RSs.
3RSs? Okay. That one looked like the one on the left looked like a GT2. That's what I thought.
My buddy has a like
I don't even know what
PPF
I
shop.
can't even tell the difference.
The new GT2 is not out yet. It's the last gen still. I hear rumors that the 2 is coming.
How could they make that car any crazier then?
Well, they're gonna slap turbos on it probably and hybrid. My guess.
So it's gonna be all-wheel drive then if it's hybrid.
We'll see.
Roger's always cool.
Usually the GT2 is always rear-wheel drive,
Yeah.
so that'd be kind of nuts if they made it all-wheel drive.
But I feel like you're already at that like precipice of like you can't get any more performance out of it because even the
Yeah,
last
man.
one
So
was.
thanks for the test drive, bro.
Yeah, right. I'm the reason this guy got it going.
All right, Adrian's a few minutes out, I guess. That's his name, right? Or Anthony.
Anthony, I was like, what? I'm right here.
Yeah. No, I thought it was.
Oh, I got the.
All right, you want to walk around a little bit?
Yeah. Just gonna go. Thank you, Andrew.
Oh, that's the kid right there.
Which one?
Do you want me to introduce you or no?
Oh, with the one over there?
Yeah.
Ah, we'll bounce into each other again.
I probably should.
You come with.
Obviously, he didn't.
I got
know.
my Subi.
He probably didn't know this was happening.
No, because I don't have his info, so I couldn't tell him.
Oh no, but what I'm just saying, like he wasn't like aware of like. See, I didn't know about all this stuff too because they all talk on Discord. Like, I didn't even know what Discord was.
So how'd you find it then?
Well, because somebody from Instagram or Facebook messaged me. It's like, hey, are you on the Discord? And I was like, oh, what's that? And
Yeah, I think I have Discord, but I've never used it.
it's not really useful, in my opinion.
It's because we're old, buddy.
We're old, and also like there's only, you know how many times I forget to check it, and then
Right.
it's just like 2 weeks later I'm like, oh,
Right.
and then there's people like replying to me, and I'm like, dude, I'm sorry, like.
Yeah.
By the way, Eric, I don't know if I'm supposed to know, but
You would like it. This whole row will be filled with bikes.
I just cleaned my bike.
What's up, buddy?
How are you?
Hi, puppy.
You starting a car dealership or what?
Yeah, you love that?
I've gone with myself, so.
Hey, buddy.
What's that, you captain?
Hey. Hey, guys, watch out so we don't get hit.
They all love this.
Yeah, I thought. It looks like a
Oh, yeah, it looks like a squirrel tail.
We had a ruby one that was the same color as Lady. She just passed away.
Oh, I'm so sorry.
Hey.
Saying hi.
Yeah, just
She's
keep
very
up here, Eric.
playful.
You trying to
Your
shoot
dogs aren't
me.
into that.
No, they are. They play. He's 8 months. He's
Yeah,
11 years.
She's 5.
They hang together all the time.
We are trying to do a little bit more filming today. Hey guys.
How are you, man?
Good, how are you?
I'm good.
Jak się mamy dzisiaj?
Jak się masz? I don't know what you said.
How are you doing today?
Oh, okay. Dobrze.
Do you see all those ends over there?
Yeah.
We're doing this again, Eric.
We're... Just smile.
I'll go at the video.
Just smile.
See this guy right here? This guy is always terrorizing.
This guy doesn't like to be on camera, so once I found that out, I make it my life's mission to just get him.
Your flaws or your insecurities because they feed
Look,
off
he's
of
got such a nice smile. I just want the world to see
it.
it.
They feed off of it. You cannot tell anybody your insecurities. He's a friendly guy.
They've been in battle.
I even one time made him a thumbnail on my YouTube video.
Oh, yeah. He made his whole advertisement to his YouTube episode is me.
I think you posted a story like a day or two ago of him.
Yeah. No, I shut it off.
No,
It's
it's
fine.
flashing.
Oh.
See?
I thought I shut it off.
No, yeah, I bet you did.
I swear I did.
Stop.
All right, buddy, I'm gonna go. Time to wrap up. We are a little behind. I missed a lot of the bikes today. There was way more bikes. Today was a great turnout. I don't think the V Club made it, but we did have like 13 to 15 Hyundai N's come. That was cool. Hello, hello. And just like that, another event in the books. This was great. It was a little chilly in the morning and then really warmed up. We had a really great time. I cannot believe there's 2 more left. The next one is Trunk or Treat. Should be a great day pending weather. And then we have the season ender and toy drive November. I believe it is 9th. Don't quote me. I'll see you guys then. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one.